Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect App Store Connect API to manage releases, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect to the App Store Connect API, first, ensure you have an Apple developer account. Log in to App Store Connect and navigate to the Users and Access section. Create a new API key by selecting the Keys tab. Click on the plus icon to generate a new key. Fill in the fields for the key name and select the appropriate permissions. Once created, download the API key file as it contains the private key. Next, note down your issuer ID, which is found in the Key Details section. Take note of the key ID you just created, as both it and the issuer ID will be needed for authentication. Open your terminal or command line interface. Install the required library for making HTTP requests if you're using a programming language like Python or Node.js. Using the library, start by importing necessary modules. Next, write a function to generate a JSON Web Token, or JWT. Ensure the JWT contains your issuer ID, key ID, and expiration time. Use the private key from the downloaded file to sign the JWT. Once your JWT is generated, you can use it to authenticate requests to the App Store Connect API. Compose the URL for the API endpoint you want to access, such as managing releases. Prepare your request headers, including the authorization header with the generated JWT. Send your request to the endpoint using a GET, POST, or PUT method, depending on your operation. Handle the API response appropriately, checking for successful status codes. Implement error handling to manage any issues that arise during the API requests. Test your connection by running the script to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, you can proceed to integrate this API setup into your application for managing releases. Regularly check the documentation for any updates or changes in the API structure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.